Okay. What's up, cravers? What's your girl Puddin'? Coming at you with another video. I already started eating, y'all. Look at that. Can you see it? Because I'm at work. These are just my leftovers from Easter. Leftovers. Kicked it on Easter. Had a great time. Kicked it on Easter, y'all. Had a great time. So, definitely this Monday. No, it's not. Tuesday. This was left over. What I decided to take with me. Did I just show my face? Oh well. You know, this is a little quick one. A little quick mukbang. Let y'all know I miss y'all. Thinking about you while I'm devouring this meal here. I said, let me get on here and speak to my peoples. What's up, Craver? Man. I think about all this YouTube drama, y'all. I've been on YouTube. I'm at work. I'm on YouTube. I'm eating some chicken, macaroni and cheese, ribs. I got bratwurst here. As you can see, I got my boneyard already over here. You can see the boneyard. I got that already ready. Y'all. Yeah. Getting it in. But anyway, so y'all, this drama on YouTube, y'all. This is crazy. Watching this lovely tea, Tasha K. Armand Wiggins. And it's just crazy. That's really all I can say. I just got done listening to the Lioness of Judah. And this whole 8-hour, 10-hour conversation that they all had. Addressing their beef. Like, I've never heard Lovely T so pissed off. That just goes to show how professional she keeps it on her channel. That's crazy, y'all. There's a lot going on. That shit was fresh on my brain because that's what I've been watching all this time. Shout out to my girl, Lashika Brown. We're doing our egg challenge coming up. Me, her, and dang, my Keto-licious. I got her name all wrong. We're doing the egg challenge again that I'm going to win. Of course. Well, she can know. Well, whatever, y'all. It's like eating a dozen eggs. And some nice, good butter sauce. Look, I'm eating with my hands, y'all. I'm such a hand eater. I don't know. I didn't cook this either, by the way. But it's fire. Look. Look at that. Man overboard. Y'all see this other one? Oh, my God. Not on my 2-year-old Old Navy shirt. From 2016. Oh, damn. 3? 3-year-old Old Navy shirt. This mug's still popping, y'all. It's not even... Look at my shirt. It's not even all the way washed off. This mug still look good. Performance fleece. I'm performing today. Oh, my goodness. Yes, I'm performing today. And my Fiji water that I refilled. We got a little color in the tank here at work, so I bring my bottles and I refill them. What y'all eating on? What y'all bring to work for lunch? Y'all, I will be doing a live, okay? Coming up soon. Face revealing on. So we can all look each other in the eyes and see what's up and say what's up. And y'all just won't have to keep looking at these messy lips. Give you a break every now and then again. I'm trying to do my live. I just got a damn star on my eye. I'm like, damn, I don't want to show America myself with this whole star on my eye. Like, that ain't right. Like, that ain't how I want to introduce myself. My first look with a star. So, yeah, my first video, I was barely talking. Go back and check it out. Oh, this ain't perfect. And y'all just seen the eye that got the star on it. Try that. Huh? If the phone rings, y'all, I'm sorry. I'm at work, that's my job. To answer the phone. But it hasn't rang. Y'all see that little owl back there? Photo bomb. I ain't even gonna lie, I don't think I'm gonna eat this bratwurst. Oh, where is it at? There it is. I don't think I'm gonna eat that bratwurst, y'all. But I am about to fuck this rib up. Look at this rib. Look at this rib. I'm trying to do this one hand situation. But look at this mug. That is just amazing. That is a damn good rib, y'all. Yes. Damn good rib. That's some damn good rib. I hope this shirt make it all day. At least dum. That's that. That mug is amazing. Lighting ain't right, y'all. Let me see. Let me get some good lighting. Look at that rib. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. I think y'all see me. I just got a text message. So, yeah, watching YouTube, y'all. I can't make this shit up. I'm at work. Working. How good. Getting full soon. Getting way full, okay? But I definitely wanted to come on here and say what's up to my cravers and let y'all know I'm eating good. I didn't want y'all to miss this one. So, had to get it the best way I can. I had to give me like a little stand or something. Bring to work. So, we can get more time in together. Come on. Get that whole little thing on. You know how you know the rib is good. That whole motherfucking. Now I want to cook some ribs, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. I want to see if I can make a rib turn out like that. You know it's good when you go back to your old bones, like, No man left behind. But you know it's good when you go back to your old bones, like, let me re-suck on those, okay? Let me re-suck that bone, baby. Let me re-suck that bone. Let me stop. Anyway, please go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll greatly appreciate it. Wipe this up, y'all. Let me clean up. Let me, oh, there I go again. See, it's coming. It's coming. The face reveal is coming. I'm already kind of sort of revealing some faces. Some parts of my faces. Oh, yeah, I cut my hair, y'all. Oh, my friend did. I had it down for Easter and stuff, but now it's back up. I don't know. Can you see it? It's so cute. Damn it. Did it again. I'm about to get off here. Everything is coming out today. I'm coming out. I want the world to know this is my outro. I'm coming. I'm coming. Bye. I'm back, y'all. I bet the bratwurst, okay? It got cheese in it. That's what's up. Okay? Big girl thought she was done. I just wanted some. I just wanted to taste it before I throw it away. I hate throwing food away. But it feels better once I've tasted the food before I completely toss it. So, anyway. For real. Peace.